Yeah, man. That's them new bitches, man. You know what I'm saying? Told y'all, boy, man, this shit don't stop, man. You know what I'm saying? For Guitar Center, I'm recording the data on this bitch on y'all. You know what I'm saying?
TSC.
Yeah, man, we ready live. We back ready live. Headed back to the Yo Gotta, man. Don't nobody worry. YGR, brand new earphone, brand new speaker, baby. Back in business.
DJ Pain 1.
My damn man, my homie in the pimp selling dope. Just the other week, Lance Bridge lost his little niece. Big God bless her soul.
Certified, man, we ride, man.
There's some people in my city who got slick beef with me. They can't stand 3-4 titty, purple whip for 4 cities. Shout out to Lil Ygr Replace fuck with me. What's up with it? Lil Audit, this boy from Conway. 30, you all on the interstate. Richard Miller strapped the tape. $7 for a plate. Play this twice is devastating. Then your homeboy hating. And your main bitch faking. And her new one ain't your baby. To my young niggas out selling drugs, it ain't no way. Get a job and play it safe. Stay in school and graduate. Put that pistol down and fight. Boy, and live another day. Chillin' cheap and buddy mo. I know you're in a better place. Riding around with Cooter Bang. Trying to scrape up some change. So I can send it to the prison. To my brother Danny Bang. Grandma hurt, she in pain. Hard pressure, hard aches.
3-4 titty, man. Hard aches. With my big bro D-Lo, man. Going down, man. ATM hard shit, man. I know how we get Arkansas, Texas, and Memphis, man. Ride through that triple D right now, man. On that 3-4T, man. You know what I'm saying? New speakers, man. You know what I'm talking about? New everything, new earphone. Shit.